There's 1,000 words that I could say to make you come home. Seems so long ago you walked away and left me alone. And I remember what you said to me. You were acting so strange, and maybe I was too blind to see. And baby, that you needed a change. Was it something that I said to make you walk away from me? Oh yeah, can't get you off my mind. I try my best to be a man and be strong. I drove myself insane, wishing I could touch your face, but the truth remains, you're gone.